Hey guys, I turned an old memory foam mattress into cushions. I wanted small cushions so that they'd be easy to store, rearrange, and clean. With a Sharpie, I marked the foam to the size that I wanted and cut it. I didn't use a knife for this, I was able to cut it with scissors. I cut 4 square cushions. To make a cover, I subtracted ½ inch from the size of the cushion. I marked an 11½ inch square, followed by 2½ inches on all sides. At the top and bottom, I added 7 3/4 inch, followed by ½ inch for the hem. I folded the edge to the hemline and folded it over again. I did the same to the other end, then sewed it. I aligned the marks on the sides. Then I aligned the edges on the left and right side and sewed them. I aligned and sewed the corners. I sewed a zigzag stitch along the edges so that the fabric wouldn't fray. Then turned it inside out. I inserted the foam and aligned the corners. Then I made more cushions. And here's how they turned out.